Hey guys, this is Elander, and I just want to run you through how to use this grading calculator. So first thing, this is my teacher copy of it. So you're going to need to make your own copy by going to File, Make a Copy. Once you do that, you'll be able to edit your copy version. And the only thing you want to change is this orange-pink color, the pink here. Everything in here is a formula, so if you mess with this number, or any of these, it's going to not work anymore. So only change the pink numbers. So what you're going to do to find out what your final grade is going to be is go into your Blackboard account and go to where it says grades, a grade book on the left-hand side. So this is my teacher preview. I don't actually have grades, but just so you know where you can find them. So when we're looking at your assignments, you're going to want to look for the ones that say paper 1 through 5, and then there should be a classwork average as well. So you don't have to do the math on there. There should already be a classwork average. So this blue category right here would be your classwork average to put in the first one, and then these other sections over here would be the grading criteria. So for y'all, you should have 1 through 4, 1, 2, departmental exam, and 3 in, and your classwork average already completed. And so based off what you think you're going to get on the annotated bibliography, you can start to play around with what you're going to get on paper 5 to get an A. So let's say on my classwork average, I have 100 because I'm a baller. In paper number 1, I got a 95. 2, I got a 95. 3, I got an 85 because I rushed it. Got a 100 on my departmental exam. And I'm pretty confident that I've done my annotated bibliography correctly because I've talked to my professor. So I got a 95 on that. So this right here is what my grade is without doing the research paper. To be fair, you can't pass this class if you don't do the research paper. So you are in a good place, but you still have to do this paper. But now I can go in and say, okay, if I get a 65 on my research paper, I have a B. What if I get a 75 on my research paper? I can have an A. I don't have to worry and stress about this because as long as I get a C on this paper, I'm going to get the grade I want. Some of you might be in an opposite position where you've only completed half of your daily assignments. In paper 1 number 1, you got a 75. 2, you got a 75. 3, you got an 85. You passed your departmental exam, but you're not so sure how you did on your annotated bibliography. So you want to get an A in this class. If you got a 95 on the research paper, you're still not going to get an A. So this helps you determine which is going to be the best one for you to edit, to revise, because you can edit all of your papers and revise them once. So let's say I know I can get a 95 on paper number 1. I'm confident I can get a 95 on paper number 2. I turned in this one late, so it's the highest grade I can get, and I can fix my departmental exam no problem. Even if I revise all my papers, because of my 50 in my classwork, I can't get a better grade than that. So maybe I'm not going to stress about getting the 95. What if I got a 75? Where does that put my grade? To just let you know how much effort and thought to put into these assignments, and know which ones are worth the most bang for your buck for editing them. So for example, if it's between me editing my research paper and me editing my paper number 1, the research paper is worth twice as many points, so I'm probably going to want to do that one. If y'all have any questions with this or you'd like a clearer explanation, you're welcome to join me in office hours. You can always find me at Prof. Elander. But good luck. Happy end of the year.